What a beautiful sight driving up to my daughter's house in the morning. These precious animals are usually out here every morning with bunny rabbits, eating, feeling safe and secure. No one's going to hurt them. Such a sight to behold. They're beautiful. I am not very far away from them. They look at me and they know that I'm not going to hurt them. Literally right at my daughter's doorstep every day. And they just walk around because they know, hey, no one's going to kill me here. So I thought I'd share this. It's beautiful. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. All right, everyone, have a great day. Bye.